Now let's talk about how to save a Word document in Macbook. So there are more things you might mean, so this is my comprehensive approach. So the MacBook by default is equipped with a text editor or processor similar to Microsoft Word, and that is the Pages from Apple. You should be able to find it in the list of all of your apps, and using this app, you can start a brand new Word document, and you can also just edit existing ones. So if somebody has sent you a Word document, you can just open it up using the Pages, and you can edit it and save it as a Word document as well. In fact, if you open it up and start a brand new empty one, after you are done with it, you can tap on File and then Export, and it asks you which type of file or file format you want to save it in. So there is the PDF, Word, EPUB, plain text, and more. So of course, you can save it in the Word document anytime you wish. And the cool thing about it is that the Pages is built-in app and it is free to use. You will get updates for it forever, and you can always just keep on using it, right? But this doesn't affect you if you still want to download the Microsoft Word, which you can download it most definitely from the internet and install it as a separate app on your Mac. So you are also free to do that as well, right? So that's kind of how it works. I'm not sure what exactly you want to save as a Word document, but using these tools, you will be able to get it done most likely. If you have some more or some very specific things which you're trying to achieve, then let me know below in the comments. Perhaps I might make an updated video about that, or someone else might be able to just help you with that issue. That's it from me, and subscribe so you never miss future videos, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.